Beep. Beep.
And there.
Beep.
I told you.
Beep. Beep. Beep.
Welcome to 60-second news.
Big cook, little cook.
Welcome to our cafe.
Big cook, little cook.
Want you to come and play. I'm not having this on my phone.
Meeting all the friends we cook for, sharing stories, tricks and fun. Big cook, little cook. We'll cook for everyone. We cook for everyone. And our special guest today is Little Cook. And our guest today is Little Cook from the popular TV series Big Cook, Little Cook. And our other guest is Big Cook Ben. Yeah. Who is also from the popular TV show Big Cook and Little Cook. Way! Yeah. Anyway, go. Talk. Right. As you can tell, I'm the leader of the partnership. Would you like
My best friend.
Would you like us to sing you a song? You would. Good, because you don't really have a choice, because you're still watching this, aren't you? Right, okay. Oh, okay. We're going through an episode. Oh, okay. Okay. Right, No, wait. Can you please? What do we do now? Can we play? Not yet. Time to clean and put away. Hooray! Let's scrub and clean, make the kitchen sparkle and clean. My name is Ben. We got the cleanest kitchen of all. Handling all the bits and bobs, the things that help us do our jobs, ingredients but put away. Ready for use another day. Pots and pans will chop it well. We have worked really well. Now I'm afraid that's a smile. We'll be finishing it a while. All our